Welcome explorers to a journey through the diverse physical geography of India. This vast country is a tapestry of landscapes, each with its own unique story to tell. From the fertile plains in the north to the majestic Himalayan mountain range, from the arid Thar Desert to the lush western Ghats, India is a land of contrast and variety. But why is it important to understand these physical divisions? Well, they shape not just the land but the lives of the people who call India home. They influence everything from agriculture and climate to culture and history. By exploring these physical divisions, we gain a deeper, more comprehensive view of India beyond the bustling cities and iconic landmarks. So, are you ready to dive into this rich geographical tapestry? Fasten your seatbelts as we embark on this exploration of India's varied landscapes. Our first destination is the fertile northern plains formed by the mighty Ganges and Brahmaputra rivers. These rivers, originating from the majestic Himalayas, meander across the plains, enriching the soil and making it one of the most fertile regions in the world. It's no wonder then that the northern plains are often dubbed as the granary of India, playing a pivotal role in the country's agricultural sector. The northern plains are not just a breadbasket though. They are home to a staggering population, teeming with vibrant cities and towns, each with its own unique culture and history. From the holy city of Varanasi, steeped in spirituality and tradition, to the bustling metropolis of Delhi, the political heart of India, the northern plains are a tapestry of diverse cultures and histories. But the story of the northern plains doesn't end with agriculture and crowded cities. This region is also a treasure trove of cultural landmarks that are a testament to India's rich heritage. The iconic Taj Mahal in Agra, the ancient ruins of the Nalanda University in Bihar, and the sacred Harmandir Sahib or Golden Temple in Amritsar are just a few examples of the cultural richness that the northern plains have to offer. Each city and town, each village and hamlet adds a unique thread to the cultural fabric of the northern plains. And it's this diversity, this rich tapestry of cultures and histories that makes the northern plains so fascinating. It's a region that's as diverse as it is unified, as modern as it is ancient, and as vibrant as it is serene. Despite the challenges of population density and urbanization, the northern plains continue to thrive, driven by the resilience and spirit of its people. From the farmers tilling the fertile land to the artisans crafting traditional handicrafts, from the scholars preserving ancient knowledge to the entrepreneurs driving modern innovation, the people of the northern plains are the true heart and soul of this region. A region of fertility and abundance, the northern plains are truly the heartland of India. Next, we ascend to the majestic Himalayan mountain range. Often referred to as the abode of the gods, the Himalayas are not just a geographical feature, but a symbol of awe-inspiring beauty and spiritual serenity. The Himalayas stretch across 5 countries, including the northern part of India, and they hold some of the highest peaks in the world. At the heart of this majestic range stands the towering Mount Everest, the highest point on our planet, reaching an impressive height of 29,029 feet. But Everest is not the only jewel in the Himalayan crown. Peaks like Kanchenjunga and Dholagiri, among others, also command attention with their breathtaking heights and majestic presence. These towering peaks hold a significant place in the world, not just for their grandeur, but for the challenges and opportunities they present. They attract mountaineers from around the globe, eager to conquer their heights and face the ultimate test of human endurance. But the Himalayas are more than just a mountaineer's playground. They play a crucial role in shaping India's climate. Acting as a formidable barrier, they prevent the cold winds from the north from entering the Indian subcontinent, thus playing a vital role in the creation of the monsoon winds. These winds, in turn, contribute to the fertility of the plains, making them the breadbasket of India. The Himalayas also have a profound impact on India's culture. Numerous myths and legends are woven around these mountains, and they are considered sacred in many religions. Several pilgrimage sites are nestled in these mountains, drawing millions of devotees every year. Furthermore, the Himalayan region is a biodiversity hotspot, home to a wide range of flora and fauna. Some of these species are found nowhere else in the world, making the Himalayas a treasure trove of biodiversity. The Himalayas, a towering testament to the power of nature, shape India in more ways than one. They are a symbol of the country's diverse landscape, a barrier that protects, a challenge that inspires, and a sanctuary that nurtures. They are, in every sense, the pulse of India. We now descend to the Western Ghats and the coastal plains along the Arabian Sea. Imagine a mountain range running parallel to the western coast of India, creating a natural fortress that shapes the coastline. That, dear listeners, is the Western Ghats. A UNESCO World Heritage Site, the Western Ghats is not just a geographical feature, but a treasure trove of biological diversity. Home to a staggering number of plant and animal species, many of which are unique to this region, it is rightly recognized as one of the world's 8 hottest hotspots of biological diversity. As we move down the slopes of the Ghats, we come to the coastal plains. These plains, nestled between the mountains and the Arabian Sea, offer a different kind of spectacle. They are a patchwork of golden sandy beaches, lush green paddy fields, and bustling towns and cities. The Western Ghats and the coastal plains together create a vibrant cultural tapestry. This region has been a cradle of civilization for centuries. Nurturing various cultures and traditions, the Ghats and the plains have influenced everything from food habits to art forms, language to lifestyle, and have been the backdrop to numerous historical events. The Western Ghats, with their high rainfall, are the birthplace of many rivers. These rivers, cascading down the mountains, not only enhance the region's scenic beauty, but also play a crucial role in the local economies, supporting agriculture and providing water for cities and towns. The coastal plains, on the other hand, have always been a hub of maritime activities. The long coastline has fostered a culture of seafaring, trade, and fishing. The Arabian Sea has been a gateway for cultural exchange, with influences from across the seas finding a home in the region. In essence, the Western Ghats and the coastal plains are a perfect example of how geography influences culture, economy, and biodiversity. They are a testament to the harmonious coexistence of man and nature. The Western Ghats and coastal plains, a land where biodiversity flourishes and cultures thrive. Onward, we journey to the vast Deccan Plateau. This expansive landscape, nestled in the heart of the Indian subcontinent, is a treasure trove of historical significance and agricultural prosperity. Spanning over 800,000 square kilometers, the Deccan Plateau is a geological marvel, formed over millions of years by volcanic activities. Its rich, fertile soil, a product of ancient lava flows, is a testament to the plateau's fiery birth. But it's not just the soil that tells a tale of transformation. The Deccan Plateau is a testament to the power of time and the relentless shaping forces of nature. The plateau's strategic location and fertile lands have played pivotal roles in India's history. Once the stage for the rise and fall of powerful empires, the Deccan Plateau has seen the grandeur of the Mauryas, the valor of the Chalukyas, and the artistic brilliance of the Vijayanagara Empire. It's as if every rock, every river, every hill of the Deccan narrates a tale of the past, echoing the stories of heroism, love, and artistry. Today, the Deccan Plateau is a major contributor to India's agricultural sector. The black cotton soil, also known as the Regur soil, is perfect for cultivating cotton. The plateau's dry climate and well-drained soil also make it favorable for growing pulses, millets, and oilseeds. These crops not only feed millions, but also significantly contribute to India's economy. As we traverse the plateau, we encounter remarkable cities and landmarks. Hyderabad, the city of pearls, serves as a beautiful amalgamation of tradition and modernity. The Ajanta and Ellora caves, UNESCO World Heritage Sites, showcase the pinnacle of ancient Indian art and architecture. The Jog Falls, India's second highest plunge waterfall, is a sight to behold, a roaring testament to the plateau's remarkable topography. The Deccan Plateau, a region of historical significance and agricultural prosperity. It stands as a silent yet powerful reminder of the past, while its fertile fields promise a prosperous future. And as we journey through its vast expanse, we realize that the Deccan Plateau is not just a geographical entity, but a living, breathing chapter of India's rich tapestry. Now, brace yourselves as we traverse the arid landscape of the Thar Desert. This vast expanse of sand and dunes, also known as the Great Indian Desert, stretches across the western part of India and into Pakistan. It's a world where water is scarce, and yet life thrives in ways that are truly fascinating. The Thar Desert is home to a unique collection of flora and fauna, each adapted to the harsh desert conditions. Plants like the kedri tree, known as the lifeline of the desert, have long roots that penetrate deep into the ground in search of water. The resilient blackbuck and the elusive Indian gazelle, also known as chinkara, are among the desert's native fauna. These creatures have adapted to the desert's extreme temperatures, finding ways to stay hydrated and cool. But the Thar is not just a haven for plants and animals. It also supports a vibrant human culture. The desert dwellers, often known as the Marwaris, have developed unique ways of life to survive in this challenging environment. Their brightly colored attires stand out against the beige of the desert, and their folk music and dance forms like the Ghumar are as captivating as the landscape itself. The Thar Desert is also a hub of economic activities. Agriculture, though challenging, is carried out in certain parts with the help of ingenious irrigation systems. Mining is another major activity, with the desert rich in minerals like gypsum and limestone. Additionally, the Thar is increasingly becoming a popular tourist destination, with visitors drawn to its stark beauty and cultural richness. In this seemingly barren land, every grain of sand tells a story of survival and adaptation. It's a testament to how life can flourish even in the most inhospitable conditions. The Thar Desert, a testament to life's resilience in the harshest of conditions. Our journey takes us next to the eastern Ghats and the coastal plains along the Bay of Bengal. These regions are an amalgamation of vibrant cultures and diverse ecosystems, creating a unique blend of natural and human-made wonders. The Eastern Ghats, a discontinuous range of mountains along India's eastern coast, act as a crucial geographical feature impacting the region's climate, flora, and fauna. Much unlike their western counterparts, the Eastern Ghats are broken and eroded, with rivers carving out broad valleys and floodplains. The Mahanadi, Godavari, Krishna, and Kaveri rivers, which originate from the Central Highlands, flow through these gaps, nourishing the fertile plains and supporting a variety of crops. The Eastern Ghats are home to diverse and endemic species of flora and fauna, making them a significant ecological hotspot. From the majestic elephants and elusive tigers to the rare and beautiful red sandalwood trees, the Eastern Ghats is a testament to the bountiful biodiversity of India. As we move towards the coast, the eastern coastal plains come into the picture. These plains, nestled between the Eastern Ghats and the Bay of Bengal, are characterized by fertile soils and a network of lagoons, lakes, and rivers. The region is known for its rice cultivation thanks to the abundant water resources and fertile soil. But it's not just about nature's bounty. The Eastern Ghats and coastal plains have been the cradle of rich cultural heritage. Many ancient kingdoms and civilizations have thrived here, leaving an indelible mark on the region's architecture, languages, and traditions. The iconic Sun Temple at Konark and the majestic temples of Puri and Bhubaneswar are just a few examples of the region's rich architectural legacy. In conclusion, the Eastern Ghats and Eastern Coastal Plains are much more than just geographical features. They are a region of rich cultural heritage and ecological diversity, offering a unique blend of nature's splendor and human ingenuity. The Eastern Ghats and coastal plains, a region of rich cultural heritage and ecological diversity. As our journey across India's physical divisions draws to a close, let's revisit the key points of our exploration. We began in the fertile northern plains, a region fed by the life-giving rivers of the Ganges and Brahmaputra, and home to significant agricultural activity and high population density. We then ascended to the majestic Himalayan range, a natural barrier that influences India's climate and houses some of the world's highest peaks. Our exploration took us next to the Western Ghats and coastal plains, a biodiversity hotspot and culturally rich region. We then traversed the expansive Deccan Plateau, a geological marvel with a rich history. The arid Thar Desert presented a stark contrast with its unique flora, fauna, and resilient inhabitants. Finally, we journeyed to the Eastern Ghats and coastal plains, another treasure trove of cultural and ecological diversity. India, a tapestry of diverse landscapes, each with its own unique story to tell. Thank you, explorers, for joining us on this journey through India's physical geography. Your support helps us continue to bring you more content like this, so don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Keep an eye out for future videos where we'll dive deeper into India's vibrant heritage and geography, exploring its rich cultural tapestry and historical landmarks. Until then, keep the spirit of exploration alive. Stay curious, keep exploring, and we'll see you on the next journey.